Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikita and I bring useful tips and tricks that can help you take a step closer to the industry. In today's video, I'm going to talk about an exciting opportunity that might be of interest to you or your friends who have studied in a different background but were always curious to make a career in another background. You may not have studied in Ivy or Harvard, but if you are curious how you can take that first step towards Google as a company, then this might be an opportunity that will help you crack that role with Google. So I'm going to share in today's video more about what this program is about, how do you apply for it, the eligibility criteria, and also going to break some myths along the way. But before that, if you're new to this channel or you've been watching my videos but just miss clicking on that subscription button, do that now. And if you think I should be bringing more such opportunities for you in the upcoming videos, then make sure you like this video. That definitely motivates me to bring more such videos for you in the upcoming weeks. All right, so let's deep dive into what is Google's apprenticeship program, who should be applying for it, and then what do you get as a part of applying for this particular role. I'm going to share more about where can you apply and then, also burst some myths along the way. So make sure you stay tuned till the end of this video. So firstly, this program is for candidates who have completed their bachelor's degree. Now, you may be someone who is a fresher or you may have some experience in the industry. But let's assume that while you were doing your bachelor's degree, you were really excited about another domain. Let's say you were a software engineer, but you really discovered along the way that you have great marketing skills or project management skills. Then this is an opportunity for you that if you have studied a little bit more about marketing, you've done some internship in marketing, then you can use this experience to actually apply for Google's apprenticeship program. This program is open into four categories. First one is software development, second one is marketing, third is business development, and fourth is on project management. So all you need to do is, if you have some foundational skills in the domain you are interested in applying, start tailoring your resume accordingly. The most important tip I would suggest here while you're applying is make sure you present your resume with the year you have completed your bachelor's degree, because that is the most important criteria for you to kick off your journey towards the Google's apprenticeship role. So make sure you highlight that clearly in your resume and you clearly talk about the courses that you have completed in the domain you're interested in. If you've completed some internships or if you've worked in a company with a similar domain or interest, then make sure you clearly highlight that at the top section of your resume, because that is the crucial thing that will help you take a step closer towards this role. The other thing that you need to keep in mind is these applications are open for 2027 and you need to complete your education by then if you are currently a student of bachelor's and haven't completed your education yet. Now remember, this role is open for anyone and everyone, not just for freshers. So come what experience you may have, come what background you may hold, as long as you think that you've gained the foundational skills, this role is a perfect fit for you. So, what is more about this role? Through this role, you have the opportunity to closely work with Googlers, learn from them, get one-on-one mentorship. You also get time to enhance your skills while getting hands-on projects that can actually develop your skills towards the respective domain. Not just that, you get to work from one of the coolest Google offices and also get paid with a competitive market range while you are exploring this field for yourself. So the last thing that I would be encouraging you is these applications are open for a limited spot. So make sure you quickly apply, tailor your resumes with the tips that I have mentioned at the start of the video, and also share this video with your friends who might be benefiting from this opportunity, and drop a comment in the comment section below which of this domain you would be interested in applying for. If you need help with your applications, drop a comment in the YouTube section only. I would be happy to answer your questions and help you take a step closer towards this role. Until the next video, take care. Bye-bye.